Leave it to me. No hesitation. Cherish every gain. Of the past. Leave it to me. No hesitation. The end has come.
Let me be your blade. I'm okay. Tempest!
Swift and resolute. I sense your weakness. Strike from the shadows.
Let me be your blade. Speeding up. Speeding up. Against the wind. Beware. Shape the shapeless.
Swift and resolute. The hour is upon us. Cherish every gain. Leave it to me. I sense your weakness. Sounds come forth. Guide me. Leave it to me. No hesitation. Moment of resonance.
Tempest, precipitant. I'm sorry.
Strike from the shadows. No hesitation. Strike from the shadows. The hour is upon us. I sense your weakness. Strike from the shadows.
The thorns are blocking our path. Weird. We'll have to clear them before we can reach the beacon. Oh, please be careful. They look sharp. Maybe we can find something nearby to help us deal with them. Unexpected discovery. This is a testament to my connection with the world around me, and it's very much my companion now, bearing witness to everything I...
Master Tianxing, are you alright?
This is my first time on a battlefield. It feels so different here.
I
I know another shipment of supplies has just arrived. I've confirmed it, but it's not nearly enough. We must reach out to the city again and demand more supplies immediately.
But the approval process is going to...
Tell them it's an emergency. We are working around the clock here. Any delay could mean the end of our defense. Do they not comprehend? Here's a list of what we need. I'll talk to them if you can't make them listen. Now go, go, go! Move, move! What is it? Why are we still not done distributing these? You new here? Are you backups too? Wait, you don't look like one of us.
I am Yang Yang, an outrider of the Midnight Rangers, and they are...
Excuse me, one moment, please. Careful! This chest holds vital medical supplies. If the wounded return and find no medicine, it's on you. Handle with care and precision. An outrider. So, you were part of the backup force, right? Now, I've got wounded soldiers coming soon, and you're just in time to help. Oh, sorry. Have to answer this. Yes, what is it? An overclocked resonator. Understood. I'll be there immediately. I'm sorry, could you do me a favor? The wounded soldiers are being sent back from the front lines. We need someone to escort them to the medics, but I've got to deal with the overclocked resonator now. Could you please take care of them?
What exactly do you need us to do?
Just make sure they are safe. The medics will take care of their wounds. Thank you.
It's so busy here. It looks like...
Supplies, medical care, equipment maintenance, personnel management, and logistics. They must carefully manage these matters to provide vital support for our fighters.
So this is what a real war looks like.
Most people would never have the chance to witness any of this. It's natural for you not to know. I think this is exactly what our military strives for, to ensure peace and safety for our citizens. It's a sacrifice made so others don't have to live in fear.